Yo, my bad, bro, Chacho. How's that? We. You sounded weird. Okay. Mom, I just got hit in the face. Mom, someone just hit me in the face. Mom, I just got hit in the face. Ew! Definitely does. Now, the question is, who do we prank first? I think let's start by pranking Cruz. Should I just be like that? And then the blood starts coming out, or I'll be like, and I'll act like I'm going insane. I'll act like I'm going insane, like I just took some crazy. Yo? Hello? Yo? You hear me, Crouton Jonathan III? Yo, what's up? Yo, Croutonathan. Could you turn your camera on for me, Croutonathan? Right now? Yeah, please. Okay, Cruz, your camera's frozen. Yo, bro, Chacho, your camera's frozen, dude. I'm seeing an Elgato no signal screen here, sir. You. Yo. What? Okay. Anyway, how you doing, Cruz?
Terrible.
Why are you terrible, bro?
Us.
Why? Why though? Like, can you just tell me? Guess what, Cruz?
What?
I went to the doctor today and they told me that I have psychosis.
Yeah, it's that, bro. Bro thinks I'm an encyclopedia. What the frick does that mean?
No, they literally said that I have psychosis. Like, the doctor said that I literally have psychosis.
What is that?
Like, put your headphones on so I don't hear my voice. And no, okay, this is actually a serious situation. Like, when it's like all I see is just this fit of redness and I can't stop. Ah! Get out of my head!
Hey! Oh, stay chill.
I can't stop. Okay, what's so... What is it? Hey, yo, that's... Bro, yo, I'm watching
Chat, you look like a clown, bro. Everyone spam the clown emoji. Don't do the psychosis thing.
Okay, what should I do? What would be funny?
Just be like,
think that'll work? What? What is going on?
what is that?
What is that blood? What happened? I've had these psychotic episodes and I can't stop hitting my head against the wall over and over again. I need you to call someone.
That was the corniest thing I have ever heard.
Bro, I had a plan in place. Yo, why are you laughing? God, oh my God. Okay, screw it. I'm laughing at. Just wait till I call my sister, Jack. I guarantee you she will fall. Guarantee you, bro. Just count them for me. Tell me if I can do it.
Yes. Wait.
Turn your camera on.
Yeah. That.
Okay. just need some help doing some jumping jacks. Yo, stop saying earthquake in the chat, bro. Alright, I'm not... Yo, incoming earthquake. Yo, appreciate it, chat. Okay. Okay, I just need you to count these jumping jacks for me, okay? Can you do that for me?
Yeah, I can.
That'd be so nice of you. Okay. Alright, here I go, okay? Alright. Count them off for me, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Okay. 1, right?
1, 2. You got it. 3, 4. 3, 4.
Ow!
5.
Ah! Ow.
I'm calling 911. I'm calling 911. I'm calling 911. I'm
No,
calling
it's a prank,
911.
it's a prank, it's a prank, it's a prank, don't worry. Don't call 911, it's a prank. It's a prank. Don't worry, it's a prank. Yo, why are you... Bro, stop. It's a prank, bro. Stop, don't call them, bro, it's a prank.
His address is 492.
What? Dude, it's a prank, stop, bro, it's a prank.
Sorry, okay. Okay, I hung up.
How was the prank? Did it work?
What?
Mom will fall for the prank? Yo, dude, you're literally so loud that no one can hear you, bro.
Why would you prank your sister like that?
Bro, I was testing the prank because I'm about to do it to mom, bro. You think mom will... Oh, are you okay? Hey, did you just put tear sticks on? I just watched you go over to the side. You just put tear sticks on your eyes. I'm not dumb, okay? You definitely just put tear sticks to make it look like you're crying, okay? I have your soundboard muted, dumbass. Okay. Is there any advice you have on my prank to make it better for when I prank mom? Hello, I'm talking to you. Get off your phone. Alright, bro. Okay. So funny, dude. Hello? Yo, Dad. Yo, Dad.
Hello?
Yo,
Yeah.
what's up, Dad?
Yo, what's up, Stinky Boy?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Wait, Mom, disconnect for a sec. Yo, Romy, get out of this call right now, Romy. Get out now.
Okay.
You kind of called us on, bro.
Well, I just was calling you, Dad. I'm just calling you. Do you want to see? Do you want to see what the prank was gonna be, and then you can judge it and tell me if it's good or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was gonna go like this. I was gonna say, yo, Splink, get out. Get out now. Okay. So I was gonna be
Your
like,
family loves you.
what?
Your family loves you.
Okay, just listen to this prank. Okay, tell me if this prank is
Yeah,
good.
I'm all ears, bro.
Okay, so I was gonna be like, yo, Mom, I'm seeing who can do more jumping jacks than me, and I'm gonna see if me or Mom can do more jumping jacks, and then I'm gonna get up and do the jumping jacks. Okay?
That sounds really good for a grown man, but okay.
Okay, just listen. Okay? So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna do the jumping jacks. Okay? So I do the jumping.
Okay.
Okay. Stop saying tsunami. Okay. Guys, enough. So I'm gonna do this. Boom. Ah. Are you 5 years old? Did you just shake the camera when I jumped?
That was funny, actually. Chat, make sure you go W Dad. That was pretty funny.
So I was gonna go like this. Okay, I was gonna
Okay.
be like doing. I can tell you're getting ready to shake the camera again, okay? I can tell you're about to do that.
Okay, I won't. I promise. Is it that obvious? Okay.
Ow! It was so funny. Why are you just laughing? Like I just got injured. Like
I don't know. Because your pasty white skin with the red kind of looks like the Joker.
really? Okay, so what do you think of this prank? What do you think Mom will do?
It actually wasn't bad, but I'm gonna tell you, when you fell, it was very snowflake-ish.
What do you mean?
Like you were trying to fall.
Okay, hold on, I need to watch this house so I can take you seriously. Ah, hey Mom.
Hi.
Oh, you look very tired.
Been waiting
Surprise.
for like an hour and a half.
Well, talk to your kids about the soccer game, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mom. So basically,
What?
here's what's happening. My chat thinks you can do more jumping jacks than me. So we're just gonna see. I'm gonna see how many I can do first, and then we're gonna see how many you can do. Okay?
Got it.
You think I can do more?
Nope.
Wow. What about you, Dad?
I'm quite. Mom's gonna kick your ass.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Ready, Mom?
Ready?
Okay. Now, let's see how many I can do. Chat, we kind of sold on the last few, but this time, we're locked in. All right. Okay. Here we go. All right, chat, you are not helping my situation. Okay. No, Dad, do not read the chat. Stop.
Earthquake, tsunami.
Yeah, they're all spamming earthquake. Somebody just said brace for impact.
Okay. All right. Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You okay? Stay. Stay. Hey, wait, dude.
Dude.
You got blood coming out of you.
Sa bawat challenge na kanilang hinarap, sila ay may natutunan.
We need 4.
May napagtagumpayan.
Kaya mo.
Hey, wait, dude.
Dude.
You got blood coming out of you.
Oh my god.
You look like you're hurt, bro.
Ow.
What did you hit your desk?
Yeah, I hit my
look
head.
You're bleeding. Look at the camera.
Like you can't
We
see
can't
your face.
Ow. Ow.
Ew.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Yeah.
What?
What did you hit your mouth?
Yeah. Should I end the stream?
Yeah, you need to go to the doctor, dude. You need to exercise.
Okay, hold on. I ended the stream. Ow. 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 Ow.
You okay, dude?
No, that really actually hurt. Okay, I'm gonna just go to the hospital.
We can always see his gremlins.
I know. I'm not. What? I ended the stream.
You need to go, dude. Oh, you didn't open your mouth. Let me look at it.
What did you do?
Let me see if you cut your tongue. Does your tongue hurt? Oh yeah, you cut under. You can see at the bottom of your tongue there's a cut.
Where?
Right here.
No, sir.
Stick your tongue out. Right here.
No, it's because I hit it so hard that when I fell, my teeth hit my tongue.
See right there.
Oh, okay, let's like FaceTime. Let's get off this camera.
Mom, you just got pranked! Mom, you just got pranked! Oh my god, I failed everyone except you, Mom. Oh my gosh, finally, I have a successful prank. You just got pranked, Mom. You actually just got pranked so hard, it's fake.
Eto ang aking ama. Ganito ang itsura niya 90 days ago. Sobrang payat, at ang laki ng tiyan. At after 90 days ng paghirap sa pagdadiet at matinding disiplina sa sarili, eto na ang naging resulta ng katawan ng aking ama. Nung day 1, ginawa ko tong challenge na to dahil sobrang unhealthy na ni Papa at sobrang stress dahil namatay ang kanyang ama. Kaya bilang anak, pinush ko talaga yung tatay ko na bumalik sa pag-gym. At kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung episode 1, day 1 to day 30 transformation, make sure na panoorin nyo yun. Sa day 30, dahil nagawa ni Papa ang challenge ko sa kanya na 30 days consistent siyang mag-gym, bibigyan ko siya ng 100,000 pesos. Pero dahil hindi pa rin nagka-abs si Papa, challenge is na bibigyan. Kasi bibigyan kita ng another 60 days at bago matapos ng taon, bibigyan kita ng 100,000 pesos. Pag hindi ka magkaka-abs ka ngayon bago matapos ang
Shadows turning into light, our eyes open wide. When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. We'll get there one day at a time. Shadows turning into light. Our eyes open wide.
Ko naisipan, pati oras ko lumilipad sa panahon na di ngayon nasayang. At kung subukan, limitan, huwag kang magbabato. Kahit tigilan, pagtuloy tayo sa pagbayo. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, nag-talk, nag-choke, tapos nag-yell. Ko naisipan, pati oras ko lumilipad.
Wanna testify, screaming the holy light.
We got everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride. We got everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Paalam, hanggang sa muli! Bye-bye!
We got everything I
Shadow.
ko naisipan at
Hoy! Ninja! Hoy! Hoy!
Para sa pusong kumakayod, para sa pusong
Di mo alam yung makaulit. Up, down, up, down, up.
Ararara. Ararara.
we got everything I
Quaker helps me manage my weight. Keep it Quaker fit.
The RCVC Air Miles Visa Signature. Focus only on what counts.
May hindi ka nga, ikaw ka. Ito na, wait lang mo. Trending ka.
ayoko na, boss. Mag-iwanan na tayo.
Balik tayo, ha? May ibalik ka? Ganun kadali sa'yo sabihin yun? Mainggit kayo. Hehe.
Dahil umalis ang BG Ladies at nagbigla ang bar ngayong gabi, boys, sa atin ang gabi na to. Let me break it down. Matagal ko na kasi napag-isipan na ang BG Boys kukontrolin ang isang buong gabi ko for the win. Ang buhay ko nasa inyo.
Unahan ko na. Gusto mo, ako na mag-decision para sa'yo.
Ano, Ray? Saan tayo pupunta? Hoy, itong tropa ko si Jess. Mag-trip tayo.
Boy, bigla sa kaya.
Kasama na si Erwin. Tingin nyo na hindi darating si Carly. Yari sila.
It's a fun, boys!
Hindi lang yosi sa tabi.
Boy, pwede pa ako sa cellphone mo ah. Ano tayo magiging masaya niyan, boy?
Pinakaman ako kasi hindi pa ako nakapagpaalam ni Carly.
Boy, ba ako naman yung mag-call. Tarantado itong batang to ah.
Ito yung bumangga sa akin ah. Boss.
Oh, boss,
Pwede bang makilaro dyan?
makilaro. Kanya mga kalaban yung mga yan eh.
Sige boss. Pasok na ako ah. Ito na ako. Oh, ano? Game! Oh! Uy! Oh! Eh! Oh, last one na anak ko. Last one. Oh! Oh! Boss! Pwede ba makilaro dyan? Oo naman, tara. 1v1? Tara, laro tayo. 1v1 daw kami, Kyubong. Check mo na kita, baka malambot ka. Hindi pwede dito lalampalampay. Gusto ko matigas. O, sa'yo na to. Okay na. Let's go. Sa'yo na bola. Okay, sa'yo bola. Ano? Ayos ka. Game. Rock. Oh, sa akin bola. Oh, intentional foul yun ah. Hindi mo maglaro ah. Ano? Sige, game. Oh. Uy. Ay, parang hindi na maganda yung laro nito ah. Parang nakakalalaki na to ah. Ano? Gusto mo maglaro ah. Problema ka ba sa akin? May problema kasi oh. Ano? Tayo! Ay! Ano? Tayo! Tayo! Kuya Bong! Tulong! Ano nangyari sa inyong dalawa? Kanina naglalaro kayo ngayon, nagsusuntukan kayo? Oh, baka mag-ialam dito, matanda. Doon ka. Ako matanda? Sino mo yung matanda? Dito ka matanda, yari ka sa akin.
Kuya Bong! Kuya Bong! Ito yung trantado kanina, eh. Yes!
Kapatid ko to! Pangit ang panaginip ko. Love? 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 Kasama niya. Ha? Naam ka diri dyan. Di ba naam ka Cebu? Nabuang na kaya? Umubit akong ipari diri. Basta. Limutan ako eh. Pati yung panaginip ko. Ano sa di mo panaginip yan? Imo ko hapit pa itong sumbag ko ng maayo. Kudro yoy. Lagi, tinuod lagi. Amawa, Diyos ni mo. Hindi ko nabuhaton. Tas, may ganin, abot sila amin. Sila amin? Wala naman siya diri sa BG. Ito sa. Baka namiss ko lang ng batang yun kasi tagal na namin hindi nagkita. Sinagip niya ako sa panaginip eh. Tapos, ikaw, papatayin mo ako. Pangit naman ang panaginip ko. Ya, ikaw nga naman ka diri. Yung mo bitong game mong editorya. Sugod ay kong edit gapon. Asa daw eh, asa daw. Ano to daw? Asa daw mong edit pa? Raya, magkita na akong edit. Nga, no? Pagod kasi ako kahapon eh. Kalimutan ko tuloy. Ang channel yan, parang gaming yan eh. Ito yung bagong channel mo. Kawawa naman tong channel na to. Walang subscribers. Ha! Babalik ako sa gaming, mag-upload ako ng Roblox, GTA 5 at mga horror. At dadami agad yung subscribers nito. In just 1 month, magkakaroon to ng 1 million subscribers. Kaya, mga kaibigan, mag-subscribe na kayo sa bagong channel. Mga kaibigan, na-welcome natin ang aking kapatid na galing Cebu. Kaya andito siya kasi tutulungan na tayo sa pag-edit ng mga videos, gaming at vlog. Ano? Ready ka na ba? Let's go. Habang wala pa sila Bon dito, nasa Japan pa nag-e-enjoy, dito na kita, bago kita pakilala. Kailangan, tara, let's go. So dito ang activity area at andyan si Yang. Yangs, welcome mo naman yung kapatid ko.
Welcome! Pare ko, mas pogi ka pala sa kapatid mo.
So, boy, dito na siya mag-stay kasi siya ang kasangga ko.
Siya yung kasama.
Kasangga ako sa laban sa buhay.
Pero pre, alam mo kailangan natin yung kapatid mo. Ano? Kailangan natin ng big man.
Sa basketball.
Oo, live mo kasi.
Yung wala kasi yun.
Hindi na.
Ang pangalan niya pala mga kaibigan, John. Pwede nyo tawagin ng John or Louie. Oh, so ito yung pool. Kung saan dito tayo mag-gym kasi magkakaroon ng gym dito. Kasi mga kaibigan, kung napanood nyo itong video na to, yung nag-arm wrestling, nag-boxing, at nag-gym kami. Kapatid ko yun. Tapos ito yung pool natin. So as the moment, nililinis yan ni Kyobo yung pool natin. Tuturo ko sa yung lagusan papunta doon. So wala kang kaya, ito lang yung pagdang. So, tapos yan. So mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa panonood. Welcome natin yung kapatid ko. Peace out! Bye!
Paano gumawa ng ganitong mga litratong may magandang vibe? Gamit ang AI, i-download lang ang Dola at sapat na. Hayaan mong ipakita ko sa'yo. Buksan ang Dola, itapang i-edit ang larawan, mag-upload na litrato, at makakakuha ka na ng ganitong sunset na litratong parang mula sa pelikula. Pwede mo rin i-edit.
Hoy, dahil sobrang hard ka na. At sobrang hardworking ka, pare. Isa ka sa mga inspirasyon dito sa Billionaire Gang na you never stop working.
Siyempre boy.
Merry Christmas and you deserve this, bro. Happy New Year, bro. Alright, this is the moment mga buddy. Nandito na po tayo sa Yamaha para tuparin ang isa sa mga pangarap ng ating director ng Pelican.
Kala ko nga boy, bibili ka na ninja.
Oh, hindi ninja. Grabe naman. Eh,
Ano
dream
ka,
bike
pre?
ko yun eh. So ngayon, motor pa rin yung bibili ko sa kanya. Pero hindi naman ninja. Napaka big time ko
No,
naman
I mean,
sa
ibig ko
kanya,
sabihin,
diba?
kala ko pinayagan ka na ni Carl, yung bibili ka na ninja.
Ah,
Kaya
hindi,
nasa
hindi ba
Yamaha
pwede?
ka.
Si Yang A lang ang bibili natin ng motor.
Ah,
ngayon.
okay.
Young A!
Kala ko,
So, boy, kasama natin si Bostoni, si
let's
Langit dito, para bilhin ngayon yung motor ni Yang A. Dahil alam niyo naman si Yang A sobrang hardworking yan. At more than a year na po siya sa Billionaire Gang as editor, director ng BG. And he really deserved this gift, itong bagong motorsiklo. Oh, tsaka!
ito yan boy, hindi prank.
Boy, totoo to, boy.
Young in your riders.
Idol na siya ngayon, man. Oo nga, eh. no?
Yo, this guy is stacked. No way, please, no way. Hey guys, it's Ark, and in today's video, I played the new Summer Saturday Advent.
See this? Here, we got a little habitat right there. We got a couple of dragons on it. Right, and we're going to put the down.
Ano ba lahat ng avatar ng mga friend ko? Ito ay naging dragon ka ni Lonnie. Itignik ka na naka-dragon kami kalinoy. Magiging ko yan. Pero friend ko yan. Hindi niya ako nanangawan. Ito lang mga binat ko, mahina pa lang ako. Anong panging binat, M? May bago akong laro. Kahit bigyan mo lang ako isa. Wait, ano yung 6-7? Wala na, hindi na ako